Where did you come across this beautiful vehicle?
I got Gerard from a friend who had cancer that I took care of, and took care of him till he passed away. And he knew that I was a car girl, Jeep girl, so he left me his Mustang. I promised to take care of it, and drove him for a few months and got to know him and came up with the name Gerard because it was a strong name and happened to be the middle name of the friend who gave me this. And so I drove him for a year, putting parts on, trying to get him running, keeping him running, and probably the first 4 months I had him, he would just not want to start or he'd die on me. So I started replacing parts until I got that taken care of, and then continued to drive him and decided to do a reseal and suspension and everything that needed to be done, and did a reseal on the engine and trans, and new coil, new distributor, plugs, wires. We did bushings, shocks, struts, wrapped the exhaust, brakes, drilled and slotted rotors, calipers, probably other stuff I'm forgetting. Oh, we did all new vacuum lines. We did the cold air intake. I'm sure we're forgetting some stuff. Basically, he's very happy now. So, he's a good car. I'll have him forever. Doesn't matter how much money I put into him. He's a 94 GT 5.0 HO and has 122,000 miles on him forever, because I noticed after I had him for a few days that he doesn't age. So that part of him will be that way forever. But he's running now. I can't wait to get him finished so I can drive him.
I hope he's this beautiful for the next 25 years.
Well, next I'm doing the full interior, and then we'll do the outside paint job. So it'll be a while.
How long has he been down?
3 months. 3 months. So I'm ready to drive. I'm ready to go set off car alarms.
intake manifold is off once again. You know Gerard, trying to fix one part, breaking another part. I had the fuel line break on me, just trying to get this pipe out of here. So that's just another thing. Tiny, tiny pinhole. Looks like it was about to start right here too. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. I would really like to start doing overhauls and builds like these. We've got a lot of cars to choose from. We've got this beast behind me. It's a 1988 F350 with a 5.0 twin turbo swap in it. It was originally 7.3. That blew up and, well, we had this laying around. We've also got an 88 S10, an old Datsun with a straight 6 turbo in. We've got that hot rod mid-engine frame you saw, and also 5.9 limited edition Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm excited for the next build. I can't wait, and I hope you guys are there with us. If you guys like this video, please let me know by leaving a like and a comment. Subscribe down below. Click that little bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I upload videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys next time.